Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Champions Champ Camp in Westland, Michigan at Stevenson Middle School, and just got to share my heart with ages 5 through 12, part of the summer program here. The topic today was positivity, be your best self. And it's such a relevant topic in today's world. There's so many times that it's easy to have a negative attitude on days when it's, not the best weather outside, where things are going on, storms in our hearts as well. But that's why I choose to wear this shirt for this particular assembly. The words say, keep your head up. And we're upside down on purpose because it's a reminder to always think positive no matter what. And the students really got that today, where we had the presentation, staff as well. I was able to touch their heart and reinforce the really important lessons that were part of the topic that I discussed with all of them. And so it's so easy for us to give up, even after one or two tries. But like we talked about, the opposite of success is not failure, it's quitting or giving up. As long as we keep pushing, keep persevering, keep trying our hardest, that's really all that counts. And if we always keep going, then we always have a shot. If we stop trying, then we have no chance. So, through different picture slides that reinforce some of the heartfelt stories, the inspirational videos, the motivational music, all of that intertwined is how I was really trying to impress upon all of them, this idea that all of us can have a positive outlook no matter what happens to us, what has happened to us, what we're currently going through, will go through. You always have that choice. And whatever we tell our brain and our heart is going to believe, we don't want to have it be something negative, we want it to be something positive. And be able to, rise above some of those limiting beliefs or negative doubts that we have. It's easy to focus on that instead of, where we're trying to step into what we want more of. But to understand that we have the effort, not always the outcome. But if we plant positive thoughts in here and here, if we keep doing our best each and every day, doing the best we can, usually 9 times out of 10, 10 times out of 10, we're going to get the results that we want, right? And to understand too that true excellence, it's not about being the best, it's just doing your best. You don't always have to get first place or win the race, get 100%. You just got to try your hardest. And if you keep with that approach, not just here during Champ Camp, but throughout our entire lives, at home, for next school year, with our family, our friends, we always have that option to hopefully focus on the positivity, which we want more of, and try to lift up those around us too, because that's also part of being our best self, is encouraging those around us, trying to motivate them as well to keep doing their best. And the more that we give, of course, we also receive that much more. So again, beautiful afternoon here in Westland. It was just a true honor to share my heart, and I hope to be back again in the future. Until then though, have a great rest of camp, great start of 2026, 2027. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.